Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off notifications for new health records on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now on the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, we scroll down and tap on Health. Then in here, tap on Notifications, and then tap on the Allow Notifications toggle button to switch it on. Next, we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Health Notification Settings. In here, tap on New Health Records. Tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on notifications for a new health record. Now, say that we receive a notification when new health records like lab results or medications are downloaded from one of your accounts. And after that, you can tap on the Done button to finish that, and then tap on the back key to go back to your health settings, or swipe up to go back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.